Hello everyone. So in this video, I will let you know that how to install your Etabs software that you have just downloaded. There are two locations from where you can download the Etab. The first location was that from Etab sites itself. That is, I told you earlier, you can go to the CSI Etabs and then you can go to structural software or building analysis, and then after you can go on to the support, and from support you can ask for an uh, evaluation version. Okay, so you can move on to the evaluation version. You'll click the etabs version 18, and from here you can fill the form, and then you can uh, request for a copy of etab, and you will get an email about it, and there will be a link. You just click that link and it will be downloaded to your computer. So it will look like this. It will start extracting and the etab screen will come up. Okay, so give it some time. It will extract its file somewhere. Is the latest. It will prepare for the installation, and then comes the main window. Okay, so just wait for a second and it will then see the, you can see the next button. Just click next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, you can type in any username or an organization here. Okay, so Windows user, organization, whatever. Put next. Select the path where you need to install it. I suggest you to not to change this path. Okay, so keep it there. See program files, computer install. Don't change it. Just put it next. Uncheck this thing. It says perform native image generation. Don't check it. Okay, uncheck it because it will take much more time in the installation. So uncheck it and just press next. Press install. Okay, and then wait for this process to get complete. Okay, it can take minutes to complete. So I'm pausing the video here and I will resume the video just after the this process gets completed. So the installation has started. It will take some time. In the middle of the installation, it will ask about the license activation. Do you want to active a standalone license? So press yes. It will do the registration in the command box. Let it happen. Don't do anything. The icon will come on the desktop after a time. Etab 18. So after the completion, the window pops up that the installation wizard has successfully installed Etabs 18. Click finish. So we'll finish it. The Etab. Just remember, for the first time when you open Etab, you must have to connect to the internet. Okay. So internet connection at the first time is needed. So double click this Etab 18 and the Etab 18 software will start. So the main screen has loaded up. Sometimes it can say the license is not found, your the license is corrupted. You just need to repeat the whole process, uninstall the whole thing. Okay, so this is the main thing. So where you can just go and open, click on the open, and you can open any drawing that you have done previously, or you have anything. Like I have a tower, so I will open it and we check if the installation has done completely or not. It's the first process, first startup, so it will take some time. It's saying opening model. So it's loaded up. Okay, so it's my plan view and all that. So the software is working. So this is the process by which you can install it. Don't depend upon the point from where you are downloading it. You're downloading it from either site or where. So this was the whole the process. I hope you all do it correctly. Okay, so bye bye.